Good morning, everyone. Today we are going somewhere special.
Where are we going, Dad?
We are going to the zoo.
The zoo? Really? I want to see the lions. I want to see the monkeys. Let us go now.
Everyone get ready quickly. Do not forget your hats and water bottles.
Okay, Mommy, I'm getting mine. Me too. Adventure time.
All right, zoo time.
Yay, I can't wait.
We're almost there.
I'm getting the ticket.
Go ahead, buddy.
Good morning. Welcome to the city zoo. How many tickets do you need?
Good morning. 2 adults and 2 children, please.
Of course. That will be $40, please.
Here you are.
Thank you so much.
Wow, look at the map. So exciting.
What a beautiful day for the zoo.
Dad, can we see the monkeys first?
Let us see the animals near the entrance first. Then we can walk to the monkeys.
Are we at the monkeys now? Yes, we are. Look up there.
They are so funny. Look at that one jumping. That monkey is eating a banana, just like us at breakfast.
Monkeys are very smart animals. They can use tools, just like people.
Really? What kind of tools?
Some monkeys use sticks to get food from small spaces. They are very clever. Look, one is coming close to the fence. Hello, little monkey. Are you saying hello to me?
Excuse me, could you help us? We are looking for the lion area. Of course. Just follow this path and turn left at the big fountain. The lions are right after that.
Yay! Thank you very much.
You are welcome. Enjoy your day at the zoo.
Wow, the lion is so big. Is he sleeping?
I think he is resting. Lions sleep a lot during the day.
Look at his big mane. It is so fluffy.
Excuse me? Why does the lion sleep so much?
Good question. Lions are most active at night. During the day, they like to rest and save their energy.
That is interesting. Thank you.
You are welcome. Enjoy your visit. Welcome. What would you like to order today? We would like 2 burgers, 1 pizza, and 1 salad, please. And what would you like to drink?
2 waters and 2 apple juices, please.
Of course. Your food will be ready soon.
Look! I can see an elephant from here.
It is so big. Ears are huge.
Why is the elephant doing that?
Elephants use their trunks to spray water. It helps them stay cool on hot days.
Elephants also use their trunks to pick up food and to say hello to each other.
I love elephants. They are so gentle.
Wow, the baby elephant.
Careful, sweetie.
Look, he's moving.
So cute.
Mia? Where did she go?
Mia! Mia, where are you?
Mia, where are you? Mom, Dad, where is everyone? Excuse me, I cannot find my family. Can you help me, please?
Of course, sweetheart. Do not worry. We will find them together. What is your name?
My name is Mia.
Okay, Mia. Can you tell me what your parents look like?
My mom has brown hair and she is wearing a blue shirt. My dad has short hair and he's wearing a green cap.
Very good. Let us go to the information desk. We can make an announcement.
Mia! Mia, can you hear us?
I am so worried. Where could she be?
Attention, please. We have a young girl named Mia at the information desk near the entrance. Her parents can't find her there.
Did you hear that? They found her.
Let us go, quickly!
Mom, Dad!
Mia! Oh, thank goodness you are safe.
We were so worried. Are you okay?
It was no trouble at all. She was very brave. She remembered exactly what to do. You did remember what I told you. I am so proud of you, Mia.
I stayed calm and asked for help, just like you said.
I am glad you are okay, Mia. Let us stay close together now.
Yes, I will hold your hand this time.
Thank you.
Wow, look how tall they are. How do they reach the leaves at the top?
This helps them eat leaves that other animals cannot reach. Giraffes have very long necks. This helps them eat leaves that other animals cannot reach.
Their necks are longer than our whole car.
Everyone laughed. They walked further and found a small area with colorful birds.
Look at these beautiful birds. Look at all the different colors.
I like the red one. It is so pretty.
Would you like to feed the birds? Here is some bird food.
Yes, please. Thank you. It landed on my hand. Look, everyone.
Be very gentle, sweetheart. You are doing a wonderful job.
Can I try too?
Of course, hold your hand very still, like your sister.
This is amazing. I never touched a bird before. Look at that turtle. It is moving so slowly.
Turtles can live for a very long time. Some turtles live over 100 years.
Wow, that is older than Grandma. What is happening over there?
Let us go see. Excuse me, what time does the seal show start?
It just started 5 minutes ago. You can still find good seats.
Thank you. Let us hurry.
Great question. We use lots of patience and small fish as rewards. The seals learn step by step, just like people do.
That makes sense. Thank you. That was the best show ever.
I am so glad we saw that. What a wonderful surprise.
Hello! What flavors would you like today?
Chocolate, please. Vanilla for me, please.
Great choices. Here you go. Enjoy!
Thank you.
Before we go, let us stop at the gift shop. You can each choose one small souvenir.
A souvenir? Yes, please.
Welcome! Let me know if you need any help finding something.
Excuse me, how much is this stuffed lion?
That one is $15. It is very soft, isn't it?
Yes, I love it. Can I have this one, Dad?
Of course, sweetheart. What about you, Lucas?
I would like this book about zoo animals, please.
Great choice. That will be $25 for both items.
Here you are.
Thank you very much.
We have seen so many animals today. Are you tired?
A little bit, but I had so much fun. Can we come back again soon?
Of course we can. Maybe next time we can see the penguins too.
Penguins! I love penguins! What was your favorite animal today, Mia? I think the little bird that landed on my hand. That was so special.
Mine was the lion. He looks so powerful.
Thank you for planning such a wonderful day, Daniel.
It was my pleasure. Seeing them so happy is the best part of my week.
We should make this a family tradition. A zoo trip every summer.
I love that idea. Next time, we will see the penguins for sure.